Hello students, today we will learn about the program to check whether a number is even or odd. Let us begin. First we have the program code with us. I will walk you through the code once, then we will break down the code and discuss it in detail. So first of all, we have the header statement, that is hash include stdio.h. Then we will declare the integer main function. Now in this function we have this declaration of integer num. Then we will take an input, enter an integer. Now scanf statement %d and num will take the input. Then we will apply an if condition. If this number %2 equals to 0. So we will print that this number is even. Else we will print that this number is odd. And in the end we will return 0. So moving on, here's what the output of this program will be. So there will be an statement, enter an integer. When the user enters the input, say -7, so the program will return that -7 is odd. Now that we have seen the code, let us discuss the code breakdown. So an even number is an integer that is exactly divisible by 2. For example, 0, 8, -24. An odd number is an integer that is not exactly divisible by 2. For example, 1, 7, -11, 15. Now in the program, the integer value entered by the user is stored in the variable num. So here's the input statement, scanf %d and num. Then whether number is perfectly divisible by 2 or not is checked using the modulus, that is percentage operator. So we will apply the condition if num %2 equals to 0. So this statement will check whether the remainder after dividing by 2 is 0. Now if the number is perfectly divisible by 2, test expression number %2 equals to 0 evaluates to 1, that is true, and this means the number is even. However, if the test expression evaluates to 0, that is false, now this means that the number is odd. So thank you students.